Hello, team kaibigang Oso. So, welcome back. Ito na naman, we have another thing to unbox. Syempre, medyo matagal na rin itong nabigay sa akin, pero ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time. So, ito na ngayon. We will be unboxing the HLK Beauty Nourishing Lip Oil. Ayan. So, thank you. Shout out to the CEO of HLK Beauty and Nourishing Lip Oil, no? HLK Beauty, na si Miss Hope. Thank you for this amazing product. So, samahan nyo ako. Buksan na natin, guys. And syempre, napakaganda ng HLK Beauty products because it celebrates the strong women, diba? Na tayo ngayon, diba? Strong women. And kapag nga sinasabing strong women, ang isa sa mga hindi ko makakalimutan at talagang for me very very strong ay walang iba kundi yung mother ni Moses. So, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam or sa nakakaalam ng kwento ni Moses, diba? There was a time that all the babies were being killed dahil nga sa mga circumstances ng buhay nung unang panahon. And ito nga, si mother ni Moses was able to save baby Moses. Syempre by the grace of God, but also as a strong woman na as a mother is nakakatuwa talaga yung kwento niyan. Ayan, so natanggal na natin siya. Actually, may paper bag pa to, guys, pero for some reasons ulit, hindi ko na natago yung paper bag. So, ayan. Wow! Super cute! Look at that! Ang cute niya, oh. Kita niyo ba yan, guys? Very girly. Whoops. Teka lang, guys, ha? Ay, ang ganda! Wow! I love it! Uy, ang ganda nito, guys. Ilalagay natin ang website to order the HLK products. This is their Nourishing Essence Lip Oil. Okay. And thank you once again, Miss Hope, for this very beautiful nourishing lip oil. And always remember, be strong, be different. Diba? And above all, be an empowered woman. Kaya natin to, guys. Hanggang sa susunod. Bye!